Hi, my name is Stella, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Bioma Probiotics, how it works, the benefits, and why it's creating so much attention right now. If you've ever sat down to watch your favorite series, hoping to relax but ended up feeling bloated, sluggish, or frustrated with stubborn weight, stay with me for a moment. Before we go any further, let me make one small, honest agreement with you. If at the end of this video you don't feel Bioma Probiotics is right for you, just say no. No pressure at all. But if you do like what you see and it makes sense for your routine and your budget, let's agree you'll take action today instead of putting it off. Fair deal? So, what is Bioma Probiotics and why are so many people quietly adding it to their daily routine? Bioma Probiotics is a natural gut health and weight support formula created to help balance your microbiome, reduce bloating, and support sustainable weight management. Even if you spend your evenings relaxing at home instead of following strict diets or intense workout programs, its formula combines carefully selected probiotic strains such as Lactobacillus gasseri, Bifidobacterium lactis, Lactobacillus rhamnosus, Bifidobacterium breve, and Lactobacillus plantarum. Instead of extreme restrictions or quick fixes, Bioma Probiotics works from the inside out, supporting digestion, reducing inflammation, and helping your body regulate weight more efficiently through a healthier gut. Each batch is produced under strict quality standards and tested for purity and safety, so you know exactly what you're putting into your body. Many users report feeling less bloated, more balanced, and more comfortable in their bodies, even on days when nothing else in their lifestyle changed. Many report feeling less bloated, more balanced, and more comfortable in their bodies, even on days when nothing else in their lifestyle changed. Of course, every body is different. Some people begin noticing improved digestion and reduced bloating within the first few weeks, but the most meaningful and lasting results typically appear after 1 to 3 months of consistent use, as the gut microbiome has time to rebalance naturally. What surprised me the most wasn't just how my body looked, it was how it felt. I could relax, enjoy my favorite series at night, and feel lighter without that constant discomfort or tightness around my waist. There was no pressure, no extreme effort, just steady, natural support that fit into real life. That's why Bioma Probiotics comes with a 14-day money-back guarantee. You're not asked to believe promises, you simply observe how your body responds. I made this video for one simple reason and to share something that genuinely helped me feel better from the inside out. And because when a product truly helps people, low quality imitations tend to appear, which is why it's important to be careful where you buy it. If you decide to try Bioma Probiotics, consistency matters. Use it exactly as recommended and give your body the time it needs to support a healthier gut environment properly. Every capsule is produced under strict quality controls and tested multiple times for purity and safety. Your journey is personal, but solutions that support the gut instead of masking symptoms are the ones that create lasting change. That's why so many people choose to keep Bioma Probiotics as part of their daily routine. If this resonates with you, the official link is right below this video, in the description and the first pinned comment. Take this step for yourself and allow your body to feel lighter, more balanced, and more comfortable again, naturally.